When it comes to upgrading your home in Orangeburg, few improvements have as much impact as installing new windows. Whether you're replacing outdated, drafty windows or enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal with modern designs, window installation is a significant investment that can improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. However, like any home improvement project, understanding what to expect during the installation process can help you prepare and ensure a smooth experience. In this article, we'll guide you through the essential steps of window installation in Orangeburg, providing you with a clear idea of the process and what you can do to ensure everything goes according to plan. Initial consultation and measurement. The first step in the window installation process is the initial consultation. During this stage, a professional window installer will visit your home to assess your needs and take precise measurements of the windows to be replaced. This is a critical step because accurate measurements ensure that the new windows will fit perfectly into your existing frames. At this time, you'll also discuss your preferences regarding the type of windows you want, such as double-hung, casement, slider, or bay windows. The installer will guide you through different window styles, materials, and energy-efficient options that best suit your home and budget. Be prepared to share details about any specific issues you've been having with your current windows, such as drafts, water leakage, or difficulty opening and closing them. This will help the installer recommend the most suitable solution for your needs. Selecting the right window. After the initial consultation, you'll move on to selecting the perfect windows for your home. Your choices will depend on factors like style, material, and performance. Some common materials include vinyl windows, durable, low maintenance, and affordable. Wood windows, classic, aesthetically pleasing, but require regular maintenance. Fiberglass windows, resistant to extreme temperatures, low maintenance, and energy efficient. Aluminum windows, strong, lightweight, and resistant to the elements. In addition to materials, you'll need to consider energy efficiency features, such as low E glass, which reduces heat transfer and UV rays. You may also want to look into windows that come with insulated frames for added comfort and energy savings. Once you've selected the windows that meet your needs, the window company will order them. It's essential to allow some time for the windows to be manufactured and shipped, which typically takes a few weeks, depending on the order specifications. Preparing your home for installation. As the installation date approaches, there are a few steps you can take to prepare your home and make the process go more smoothly. First, clear the areas around the windows that will be replaced. Remove any furniture, curtains, or decorations near the windows to provide easy access for the installation crew. You should also plan to move any vehicles from the driveway or parking area to give the installer space to work. The installation team will likely bring large equipment and tools, and having a clear pathway will help them complete the job efficiently. Additionally, make arrangements to keep your pets and small children away from the work area for safety reasons. The window installation process. On the day of the installation, the professional crew will arrive at your home and begin the process. The installation team will start by removing the old windows, including any trim and caulking. The team will then inspect the window frame for any damage or rot. If necessary, they will repair or replace parts of the frame to ensure that it's solid and ready for the new window. Once the frame is prepped, the new window will be carefully fitted into the opening. The crew will ensure that the window is level, square, and properly aligned before securing it in place. High-quality caulking and weather stripping will be applied to seal the edges of the window, ensuring an airtight fit. The installation team will then reinstall any interior trim or molding around the window to complete the look. The entire process typically takes a few hours per window, depending on the size and complexity of the job. Post-installation cleanup. After the new windows are installed, the team will clean up any debris or materials left behind. This includes sweeping up dust, removing any old window parts, and wiping down the new windows. You should be left with pristine, professionally installed windows and a clean home. Before the crew leaves, they will also walk you through the features of your new windows. They'll show you how to open, close, and lock them properly, as well as how to care for them to ensure long-lasting performance. This is a great time to ask any remaining questions you might have about the windows or maintenance tips. Final inspection and testing. Once the installation is complete, the installer will perform a final inspection of the windows to ensure everything is working correctly. They will check for any drafts, ensure the windows open and close smoothly, and verify that the locks and seals are functioning properly. You'll also be asked to inspect the work and make sure that you're satisfied with the installation. This is your opportunity to bring up any concerns or issues that need to be addressed before the crew leaves. Enjoying your new windows. Once everything is complete, you can enjoy the improved comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance that new windows bring to your home. With proper installation, your new windows will help regulate your home's temperature, reduce outside noise, and enhance your home's curb appeal. Conclusion. Window installation in Orangeburg can significantly improve the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. By understanding what to expect during the process, from the initial consultation to the final inspection, you can ensure that the installation goes smoothly and that you get the most out of your investment. Working with a professional window installation company will provide you with the quality craftsmanship and peace of mind that comes with knowing the job is done right. Whether you're replacing old, drafty windows or upgrading to a more modern, energy-efficient style, new windows will enhance both the look and feel of your home for years to come.